Yan na. Here comes the reigning Flair Tender Champion, Great Boy Alonzo.
Oh, yes.
Tung, 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 tung. Tigs, 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 tigs. Yun po, yung pangyayari pong yun, natural lang po yun. Natural lang po yun sa pagiging Flair. Natural na malaglag ang bote sa kamay ng Flair Tender. Ah!
Reset. Jagger. Stagger.
Against the light. Against the law, against the law.
Yan ka, di-clip mo. Di ko mo clip pa rin. Rutin ni Sisi. Great mo.
Ah!
Stop. Stop. Okay, stop na.
Ito po ang naghahari ng Flair Tender Mixed Cocktail. Oh!